Hello guys, this is Piyush and welcome to third video of Trade with PS. So let's discuss about tomorrow's how Nifty and Bank Nifty can perform and on what level we should buy or on what level we should sell the Nifty and Bank Nifty. So let's start with Nifty. So we can see this 15,880 is acting as a resistance. So any buying opportunity we have to look only above 15,880. So it's a crucial resistance. And if you are seeing any positive closing of any candle is closing above this 15,880, I'll say if it is 15-minute candle, if it is closing above 15,880, then you should buy a CE or sell a PE here, and you should see a level of 15,950, and you can trail your SL and also wait for 16,000 level. But I'll say 16,000 is not that much achievable as of now, as per seeing the Nifty trend, as it is more towards the down. It is a downward trend, and we can also see in RSI also suggesting the same thing. So, as I said, any buying opportunity we have to look above 15,880. If it is giving a positive closing, a bullish candle over 15,880, then only we have to buy a CE here or we can sell a PE. Now, if market is open flat and it closes a candle below 15,795. Why I'm saying 15,795? Because you can see 15,800 is acting as a support, and you can see such volatile movement. And why you are seeing such volatile movement here? Like why such spikes here? Because there is no volume currently in the market because of that SEBI rule, and a lot of like volume is decreased in the market. So that is why you are seeing such volatile moves in the Nifty and in Bank Nifty. Like when we will see this Bank Nifty chart, we will see this spike there as well. So any candle, if any negative candle or red candle, if we see below 15,795, then only we should look for a PE position in Nifty, and we can trail our levels, we can trail our SL till 15,700 and 15,650. So this is the level for Nifty. Let's take a look at Bank Nifty, what Bank Nifty can do tomorrow and on what level we should buy or sell. So in chart you can see in Bank Nifty I have already planted the levels. So you can see I have marked a level like for buying 35,150. So this is the level where I'll be looking for a buying opportunity in the Bank Nifty, and 34,800 as my selling opportunity. So if a candle, like as I said before in for Nifty, if a candle is closing above 35,150, then only we should look for a buying opportunity, because you can see like today, like when market there also, like here also, you can see like the thing which we were discussing, like the volatile move. See, within a second it came down till 34,668 in few minutes, and again it retraced it back to 34,500. So that is the case, that we have to mark our levels until unless you have your levels on the chart, like it's 90% case you are going to book a loss. So always plant your levels, and 35,150 is the level where you should look for a buying opportunity. So once a candle closes above 35,150, we can see level of 35,300 and 35,300 and 35,500. That, as in previous sessions you have seen that 35,300 is acting as a resistance. So always book your half quantity at 35,300, and uh, if it closes above 35,300, then only you should look for opportunity of 35,500. Else just book your all the lots here. And if it is facing resistance as 35,300 or 35,150, here itself you can make a PE position. So we can say like always sell on top. Currently markets are not looking good, so anytime you can see a downtrend in the market. So now let's discuss where we can buy a PE position और हम कहाँ पर अपना एक PE का पोजीशन बना सकते हैं। अगर कोई हमारा कैंडल आके 34,800 के नीचे अगर हमको एक क्लोजिंग देता है और उसी टाइम पर हम 34,800 पे एक पी बाई कर सकते हैं। और नेगेटिव सिनेरियो में मैं कहूंगा कि 34,800, 34,600, 34,400 ये अचीवेबल है मार्केट के अंदर। 35,500 इज नॉट दैट मच अचीवेबल, बस या मार्केट है, कुछ भी हो सकता है। बट इन नेगेटिव साइड आई विल से 34,400। Always look for opportunity. If you are getting any resistance around 35,150, 35,300, always buy a PE. If you are seeing a resistance, only in case you are seeing a resistance, then only sell it. Else, wait for the levels. And this particular zone is a no trading zone. Don't trade in this particular position. 35,150 and 34,800. In within this range, market is going to be very volatile, so no trade in these positions. So that's it, guys. That was our analysis for tomorrow. That is our analysis for tomorrow, and let's see how market behaves. And if you like this analysis, then do like and share this video, and also subscribe to our channel. And in the description link, I'll post my Telegram channel where I take live trade with you guys, and I also provide my levels. So if you are interested and if you want to see how that Telegram channel is doing, then go and add that channel in your Telegram, or you can also search that particular channel, Trade with PS, Trade with PS in Telegram, and you can join me there. And if you have any queries, you can ask me questions there, and I'll try to answer your queries there itself. Thank you, and I'll see you tomorrow.